The drawbacks of a water filtration system. 1. Installation is expensive. Water filtration systems are available starting at $500 and rising to over $10,000, depending on the type of filtration you need. 2. You can't pick and choose what gets filtered. A complete house water filtration system could be everything you wanted, but if you don't need filtered water for washing, opt for individual purifiers. 3. Fluoride can be removed. A whole house water filtration system removes all contaminants, including flouride. To determine the impact of removing flouride from your water, speak with your dentist. 4. Storage. After the chlorine has been removed from filtered water, it must be refrigerated and kept in a manner that prevents recontamination. 5. Faulty filter maintenance. Although water filters are not high-maintenance systems, not changing filters and other maintenance requirements can make the filtering quality suffer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.